True story. There's this guy named Todd. Todd is, what do you call a network engineer. And Todd hates his job. I know, who doesn't? But get this, he used to love it, for real. Then everyone started bringing mobile devices to work. Now don't get me wrong, Todd loves mobile devices, but his network doesn't. Security issues, performance issues, which makes Todd a very, popular guy. I know, right? Now, Todd has to work longer and longer hours, and he still can't get control of his network. Turns into a nervous wreck. He's ready to throw in the towel big time. Then Michael, from IT, right? Michael introduces Todd to Airhead Social. It's this online platform for engineers. Anyway, before long, Todd hooks up with a bunch of airheads. No, not that kind. More like wireless gurus. He's getting like great tech support for his dodgiest questions. Now Todd swallowed the Kool-Aid and he wants more.
The important thing to remember when looking at these numbers is, did we just lose them? See? The same error. I think it's the network. Really? I'm right here. Oh, come on. Oh!
At Google, we like to help our advertisers gain insight into the search behavior of their core audiences. We've analyzed gaming searches from the past 3 years and discovered 3 insights into game search behavior. Gamers are savvy searchers and use search to research a game throughout the entire purchase path. Before a game's launch, they tend to search for the game's title, trailers, images, and websites. Searches ramp up around the launch date as gamers seek information about reviews, purchase, and gameplay. Following the launch, we see more searches for expansion packs and downloadable content. Gamers are searching more and more for the generic term video games.
Trident, is the pathway clear? Recon done, fanboy, you're invited to the party.
Is Scorpion Code ready for prime time?
Just waiting for her wake-up call.
Initiating attack in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scorpion Code is wide awake, everyone. Fanboy, she's all yours.
What the hell is that?
I've got alerts spiking all over the network.
What's all this traffic hitting the perimeter? Give me the status.
We're at 80% capacity on inbound and outbound.
This isn't a single attack. It's multiple attacks. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill.
Fanboy, is the package safe?
I need more time.
Take it easy, fanboy.
Relax, I know what I'm doing.
It looks like there's a bunch of internal systems infected with malcode connecting to a CNC somewhere.
We're at 90% tolerance. If we don't stop this, we're going down. I've never seen anything like this.
Package will be safe in 5 seconds. Then their system goes bye-bye.
98% tolerance. 99. We're losing it. We're losing it.
Who are these people?